Mwerereri wa metha ya Kagoni uri mwega njitagwo Monica Kagoni ngikunyita ugeni mitambo-ini ya metha na thank you so much ni guthi na mbere na gutwirorera na gutucagura na guthikiriria mathomo maria turakuhe. I feel so blessed and honored gukorwo tugithi na mbere na kunyita ugeni Dr. Susan Gitau. Reke ngwire ndagitari ni andu aingi muno makuaga na ugi ugi ugathie kaburi-ini but you can imagine tondu mitambo ta ya YouTube maybe ndiri gugithira in the next 5-10 years he mundu gakorwo agietha information about something na ni akamiona hihi no tariho. So thank you so much ni gutuhe githomo giki. We really feel honored and hindira riothe guthoma Bible when ciana cia Israeli ciahanaga ta ciathie kuharagana kana kurira kana guthinikana ri, God always raised someone waguka amashokie people like Gideon, women like Deborah, Samuel, acio theri. There are people mashaguragwo ni Ngai when the likes of Moses. So for me, hindira ndireciria uhoro waku ri ndirona a woman brought by God mbere ta kwamba gucokia ruriri rwa Gikuyu mukaro in terms of morality. Tondu alcoholism biggest problem in Central Kenya. Digano highest numbers Central Kenya. Mental health ciana there's just a problem with our community. Kogo Susan ndukanoge ni gututhomithia
ndikunoga
karibu sana
ya he grace na also ni undu nyendete gwika muno. I'm very passionate about teaching, about informing andu ona ni ndi tag jandikaga working with communities tondu turamenya twaga gwika uguo mani guthira turathira, and that's the reality. We have to do something about it. Na kaingi woigo gudirikanaga Wangari wa Maathai ni haenaga karugano ga kanyoni kanyoni musitu kahea kanyoni kaja kanyoni kanini muno ri gakathirwo gakoya mai na mukanye gakoka gaitiriria aya ngimara karora gakoiga I'm doing the best that I can.
Yes.
Koguo ri ndirenda nduike kanyoni kau as small as it is ona mwaki ucio wi munene uguo let me do the best that I can tono he kumogi nogi
yes
tweka the best that we can tuhone takane tukonokia ruriri rwitu
exactly at least generation ni cia alfari cihonoke cicoke mukaro. So umuthi ni ngwenda twaririria kaundu atumia mokaga metha-ini wa Yusingo makanjira atiriri ndiciragia muthuri ucio ari na childhood traumas
uyu wa muhikitie
kana mutumia tongi urokite aranjiria atiriri nie ni ndari na thina tondu I didn't face my childhood traumas so mathina macio ndathire gutwara kihiko-ini na maya ni maundu muno maragwetwo online childhood traumas kana miario-ini andu riu tukiona ni ora tukiria thomu kana ona muthuri na mutumia magicongoirana kumera weyo thio ukenjere mathina makwa nyu nimo marakuria. What is this kiri twagiki kiri tumugaga childhood traumas, what is that?
Tumetaga kaingi heka abbreviation tugaga koguo tugaga ACE.
ACE.
A na C na E. ACEs. Koguo tukacieta adverse childhood experiences. Adverse childhood experiences. Koguo ni ukuigwa ritwa riu ria ACEs. Ecio nicio andu maraita childhood traumas. Na tukuiga maundu mani maria mahanikiire mundu atakinyitie miaka 18. Na maundu ma no makorwo me physical hihi ni haro mahuragwo muno no makorwo me psychological no makorwo me extreme poverty no makorwo me also very emotional na the worst area turona ni sexual abuse
mundu munini
munini.
So turario horo wa ngurara iria mundu ekirirwo less than 18 years.
Yes. Na tukoiga hindi yo mundu ucio ndari no hoti wa kumenya undu ungi ndoi undu ungi to ni mwana na kaingi sikiambia ku happen si happenaga miciini koguo uyu mwana urakura ri we akorire nyina na mang'uri aturaga muhuraga no issue ti mwana uyu issue ni ati mutumia uyu nake ena mathina make atandirire namo kana ni childhood kana ni marriage yake ena thina kana ni kiundu aragerera kiritu muno kana hihi ena thina wake wa meciria no mwana uyu
niwe uitagiririo
exactly
mang'uri
macio mothe koguo na mwana ndari no hoti niki to ni mwana
he karugano twathomaga twi primary ndio kabuku getagwo twikani Hello Children.
Mr. Kamau.
Mr. Kamau. Mr. Kamau akihura Mrs. Kamau. Nake Mrs. Kamau akihura Kamau. Nake Kamau akihura Peter. Nake Peter akihura Miri wao. Nake Miri akihura Kanyau.
Tigu atahurire ngui nayo ngui yahurwo ikiruma Kanyau. Nako Kanyau gakirakaga gicaria mbia. What you are bringing out ni riri nie de Susan ri maundu maria ndagereire ri ndiadirire namo na nginya ngindimoi koguo ciana ciakwa ri ngacigereria ikagia na trauma ga bleed on them tio makosire maundu macio tio makosire to divorce tio makosire muthuri wakwa gakua tio makosire muthuri wakwa kahura no ni ndira bleedera rucina ciakwa ni ngima ru ni hikanitie na ikahikio nacio ri cina thina uria ndarutite
uria we watuheire
ndamuhe no mumenye ndamuhe tini ndinaguo umite
unehe handu umite
na inyuire ciana ici mwagia ri nacio mugeka atia mugacibleed on them koguo ciana ici nacio ri no ikugimara ndu itigirirwo mahiga nacio ri igatuika dysfunctional koguo nacio either ni cikagia ciana ka itikagia igatuika dysfunctional koguo the cycle continues na rimwe ni njigua andu muno makiuga horo wa generational curses rimwe njugaga sometimes they are not curses they're just dysfunctionalities ni undu wa childhood traumas na haha cia happen before you are 18 koguo nikio turacieta childhood andu ingi meciria cia happenaga before you are 10 no ni turoiga nginya teenagers are going through a lot
ni magiaga na childhood traumas
yes bio
tariu ni maundu mariku ndi muciari ingeka ngeka go to a typical home kwina nyina na ithe ni maundu mariku aciari twikaga tugekira ciana citu ngurara tutekumenya
hii ni maundu maingi muno riria aciari mara negenania magitanaga mirura magitanaga ki
we ni mjinga
na ni haikinya handu makarua
physical kwanza
kwa trauma affectaga mwana inyu mutikire naku mwana ucio ndarakoma ni araigwa ukiringithanio ni araigwa atia no nyu mureciria mwana ndaraigwa na mureciria toro
okire kamurango-ini guthikiriria
ona rumu to murashout ru hindi ona nyu mutiramenya level ya you are shouting that will cause childhood trauma ciana iria nyingi interact nacio niguo ciranjira ni chaos haro iria koragwo muci I fear nikakora mamoragirwo I fear dad ni arika kiundu koguo mwana ucio agakura riu ena guoya muingi muno and that's a childhood trauma no tutakinyite hau ri tukoiga kwi ino engi ya muciari we mwenyewe ndaramenya areciria ni mwana arahe display
kuhura
nduri wona mundu arahura kana ka miaka ta 2 kana 3 ukarigo shwari harwere arahura mwana ucio ri
ni mwana wa miaka 3
ona tukiuga discipline ri riu mwana ucio ukona mwana ni agire guoya mwana ni emenire tondu mwana ucio meciria make matire na capacity ka understand ndireka uguo niki na to ni igua ruo ri akoiga mundu na niwe unjiarite na niwe wagirwo kwa kinyenda ri anjiko ugu ri yaria mena kuria jame kunjika atia agikoyo niwe njui ni wagirwo ni kumenyerera
niwe mami
kana niwe baba na niwe urahura uguo no uyu riu areciria atiriri ni kuranaisha arainisha mwana akoiga ni ndanaigua muciari akiuga ai ona ithu twakihurirwo ona ko tutiahurirwo tutingiri uturi koguo riu noigua mang'uri ni ahurirwo
riu nake akarehe mang'uri
hari mwana
uyu wake
na kaingĩ ni challenge ga muciari ucio ngamuria atiriri hindi iyo wahuragwo ri ndira tucoke thutha waiguaga atia majority break manoji makanjira ndaiguite ndi rejected ndaiguite nene muno kumenwo pio ndaigua ni ndabandonirwo ndaiguaga nie ndiri kiene nie ndaigua kavangue ngamwira why would you do that to your child because exactly niguo mwana waku arathi
ndio mwana waku
niwe rathi iguru ko tukoiga atiriri maundu maya ma happen hindi o wi below 18 ri wende kana ndukende they will affect your adult life.
Makani affect.
Na in a very big way. Ugekaga maundu mamwe na ndukamenyaga niki. Kiratuma meke.
Tondu uria ndekirwo.
Tondu kiria wagereire na tondu mwiri waku na meciria maku ni marageria kurathi atia no nduri na capacity yo. You have no capacity to explain why this is happening. Koguo na kiria kikuheaga trauma muno ri. Kaigi muno ti kuhurwo kuu. Kaigi muno ni kwiyuria atiriri. Yani mundu ria nyendete arajika uguo niki. Koguo ugakorwo ukimena we mwenyewe ni undu wa childhood trauma. Na uyu ureka kaigi ungimuikaria thi wiki ndamenyaga ni arahitia. Ni onaga I'm doing what is right.
Tari nyina wa mundu ndamenyaga kuhura mwana ni kuhitia. Yani kuhura kwiho.
He kuhura kwiho, he kuhura guku kwa kiria. No riu he kuhura kwiho karigwo ni atia. Ha guga kunegenania na andu guikaikania na chaos gucautanira. Twiragwo muciari riri ura shout. He experiment tugithoma tuonirio kana ka mieri 6 when the parents were shouting maigirwo record in the room. Nigetha ati psychologist ucio amenye what was going on with this child. Tondu mwana uni agiana tu issues tutamenyekana anga colic anga ni aregire gukoma anga ni arari riria mambirie ku argue recording iyo yonanagia kana ugakioya moko akaiga moko matu-ini a 6-month-old baby.
A 6-month-old baby.
Nawe ureira ni mwana koguo ndaratuika affected.
What?
Na she would only do that when they started arguing and shouting. Na mwana wa mieri igana?
6.
Haya njira mwana wa mwaka umwe. Ni ate taramenya urathi kuu?
Ni aramenya.
Wa miaka 2. Wa miaka 5. Wa miaka 10. Koguo tukerwo atiriri. Iyo emotional abuse ni njuru muno whereby mwana iguaga neglected emotionally. Yes ni ndaguciarire. Yes ndi haha. Heri twaito rigirita na Gikuyu tumitaga connectedness. Mwana ni rete connectedness. Na connectedness ti undu ungi happen we haria na ndi haria. Ni undu ku happen ni turona na kaingi ni tura communicate kaingi ni turorania ciuria kaingi ona twahitania he undu tura we agree to disagree. Koguo connectedness ni undu ri mundu arugamaga handu akiga ni ndi nama at if this happened my parent will be there for me. My parent will be there for me. Tondu ni connectedness ira tukoragwo na muciari wakwa. Na nikio raigwa kwi ciana cihikaga airitu. No connectedness ira na muciari athi kuria heo ki acoka ciari ake makamu accept. Na makamwira to ni mari na connectedness iria. Akohatia riri ahurwo kuria no eguikara. Nginya hii akahurwo oragwo. Uracoka urathi kwao. Uracoka kwanza uthi kwao. Koguo tugacoka tukoiga atiriri. Another thing to ignore the loss of a parent or a close family member. Yeah. It becomes a childhood trauma. A
childhood trauma. When you're talking about loss, it's not just death, including divorce.
And separation.
And separation.
Yes. But death is one of the worst. To mwana uyu hihi oni marari okay na nyina na ithe wao. Then they lose who they thought was there. You know, like their pillar. Ko that ugeka therapy ni ukurealize na nituragia mundu maundu macio in the Alice to create rapport. Akwire mami akwire na miaka 10 na mundu ucio ni dysfunctional riu. Na miaka 40.
Ena 40 na arutire
uhoro inio hari agikuka
wakwire.
Koguo loss on a lifestyle. Todo lifestyle ni atia wakura mugikara wakora kwanyu andu muthoma skulu cia private mwikara kimucie kinene kwi dereva gukuaga gutwara ki then bia igathira koguo mugacoka mugatahwo ki. That is a loss and that will cause childhood traumas. Na ndirona ciana icio mari na lifestyle ikigwa ndo mwigane mari mirone kwa adjust. No, it's trauma. Andu marahuthira njohi na dawa cia kulevya aciari who the trauma they are causing their children.
Tariu nyonete cases dagitari rege mundu ni a single turamita a one parent family rege ona muno ni mutumia mutumia uyu atigaga ahingira ciana nyumba waine agathie akarara akinywa ciana cigithie thukuru no ciukiririo ni neighbor cithie thukuru tondu nyina ndari aroka na korwo ni okire oka muriu akoma erigwo. What are you doing to those children?
Exactly, that is trauma. Riu ni tureta childhood traumas. To ciana icio ni iraforcwo to grow up fast. He ciana turoiga ni ciratuika parentified. Parentified ni kuga atiriri mutumia uri uranywa njohi agekari. And I have a very bad example ya haha ngoragwo Limuru where mutumia wari a certain ka shop house anywaga uguo kairitu gake mwana wake wa class 6 niwe wokaga akahinga wira ucio akagira mamu wao nduthi akanyita mundu wa nduthi gethutha class 6 nyine ha gatagati gathi kuria tomena ka brother ri kairitu gaka niko gekuruga gathambie brother yake gathambie indo gathondeke nguo cia rucini nyina ndakiri blackout na rucini makoima rucini matige nyina ari otoro kuko unaona mwana une aratuika parentified kuko arate responsibilities cia nyina
munini muno
na ni arona uria nyina anyuaga na nyina ono ararehe arume nyumba and she's only in class 6 arumesho matikuhatikira advantage kana
nago gatikira
kugo mwana ni mwana urandagwa a lot of trauma na shame toria kurire kwaje he muthenya gakuria nyine thugumire no you can feel mwana ucio na shame ya nyina gwithugumira na ndothe ni nyina meroreire riu ni kukaroya atirethu kana furana yako ya shukuru kwa nyina so kunywa kuthira substances and it's sad that aciari ni ndirona tha ici muthuri na mutumia ni maranywa bangi mucie kwao na mena ciana na makanjiguithia ati bangi yo affectaga the way they bring up their children makanjira no we are very functional itho na twendete ciana citu ona gutira andu no woya mwana ucio waria nake kando
amuiga kando
mwana ucio maundu mari arakwira to nginya mekaga maundu ma ura thoni mbere ya ciana still trauma. That's a childhood trauma. Ugikorwo we mwenyewe ni ura expose mwana to you, the drunk you, umenye mwana ucio ni aratuika affected. Adama besha ni ciakwa ni ndi mundu mugima, but the repercussion that you're doing to your children na nicio ciana icio nicio citekagirwo advantage tondu nginya andu ni mamenyaga you are not responsible, you are not there. Nigwiga mwana ro na mwana ucio ona eko manipulate hani na ndagakwira niki utakiri wa connect na mwana
wa connect nake. Tell me, what does divorce do to children? Murari a home irari njega baba wanyu ni aiga kihiki.
Divorce na separation umenye mwana uyu akurite na aciari eri mwana uyu ndoi undu ungi uria kwirire o baba akoragwo kuo mama akoragwo kuo whether they fight or whatever they do we aciari ake ni riria umwehera he ciana ciugaga nĩ ndĩronaga dad nĩ arekaga o no we mam nĩ ũngĩrekirio make sure dad nĩ aikara to ndarĩ na mfaba ũngĩ na ndarĩ mũthuri ũngĩ oĩ. So ici nĩ cichallengeaga mwana na ciana nyingĩ nĩ ciblamaga ati dad alienda sababu yangu, dad alienda sababu mimi nilikuwa na support mam. Rĩu ukona mwana ũyũ nĩambagia kwĩũria ũcoke ũrikane kũrĩa arathiĩ no arachongwo nĩ ciana iria ingĩ. Kwani baba yako si ni mlevi? Kwani baba yako alienda wapi? Kwani kwenyu mwana ũcio self esteem igathiĩ gwĩte agathiĩ akĩmenaga. Koguo nĩ ona nĩagĩa na trauma zingĩ cia kwĩrigwo.
Rĩngĩ rĩu ona kuona gĩa kũrĩa nĩ hinya tondũ rĩu mamu wao ndarahota provide.
Yeah, the lifestyle has gone down. Ũngĩkorwo wĩna mũciari wĩna mental illness.
Yeah.
That is trauma. Hii trauma yo ndigĩkwĩra ikoragwo ihana atĩa tondũ it's at a different level. Tondũ menye mũciari ũwe ndoĩ nĩ mũrwaru. Nono ũrĩa rĩa twaragia nayo horo wa personality. Nĩ thimũ iria ndahũrirwo. Mũndũ anjirie hii nĩ tũtũrĩte na mũtumia mũrwaru nĩ ndiramenya nĩ kũrwara nĩ njugaga nĩ gũtũrĩka. No ũrĩa watarĩirie ndamenyire nĩ mũrwa anjĩra na ti hindi arwara. Ndĩrakũhe ũhoro wa thĩ agatwendi. Na atũrĩte ũguo. Koguo nĩ ndetĩkĩra nĩ andũ nĩ marwaraga na ndũmenyaga. No kũrĩa nja andũ moĩ nĩ mwega take. No gũkũ ithuĩ tũikaraga nake nginya ciana ciakwa. We know there is a problem. Koguo mũciari wĩna mental health issues nĩ ekuhe mwana childhood traumas. Tondũ number one, they are unpredictable. Anything goes. Muthenya ũmwe akenete nĩ ũramũrugĩra gũtirĩ ũndũ. Muthenya ũngĩ ndarenda kũmwana aramũgũthithia nginya thingo. Did mundu na mental illness akamu neglect akamurekereria. He karũgano ndĩraiguire handũ in one of our media mundu ahũrĩte thimũ akoiga niĩ mũtumia wakwa nĩ mũgũta mũno ndangĩũkĩra ndangĩthambia indo ndĩmũtigaga ngathi wĩra ndekũmbũtha ngĩcoka atũraga TV-inĩ ndekaga rĩu ndararia naici mũtumia ũcio na depression. That person is depressed. We arona nĩ kũrega aregaga gwĩka maũndũ.
Ndethambaga.
In fact nĩguo igire akoiga kwa kĩgĩko kĩrĩa gĩkũ kĩ njuga atĩrĩrĩ ũrĩa ũramwĩra rĩ mararega kuona mũtumia ũcio nĩ depressed nĩkĩ.
Ena depression.
Wambia kũmwĩra kũmwĩtĩra ona ũngĩmwĩtĩra thuri itũra rĩgima ona ũngĩmwĩtĩra mapasta mothe you are not changing anything. She's still depressed until you deal with the depression. Tatu rĩu mũtumia ũhana ũcio rĩ ena ciana ararora na ndarĩ na mũthuri ta ũcio wa kũnegena. What will happen to those children? Group ĩngĩ tũignoaga mũno nĩ ciana cia andũ arĩa mathiĩte njera. Ciana icio, those children suffer. Nyina nĩ athi njera kana ithe nĩ athi njera nĩ ũndũ wa ũndũ. Stigma ĩyo thoguo njera nĩ mũici nĩ mũragani nĩ ekire nĩ ciagĩtigĩrwo hihi mamu wao kana hihi nyina agathiĩ njera. The highest case njiguĩte cia incest nĩ ciana icio citigagwo aciari matuĩka njera. They exploited left, right, center. Na mara exploitwo nginya nĩ aguka.
Talking of njera rĩ mwana watigwo ithe athiĩ njera ti tondũ wa kũiya athiĩ njera tondũ nĩ aroragire nyina.
Tell me.
Those stories nĩcio iragĩ from news thikũ ici. I don't think kwĩ wiki ĩrathira ũtaiguĩte mũndũ ũyũ aroragire mũtumia wake kana you know mũndũ ũcio mwana ũcio atigwo ha.
Nyina nĩ mũkuũ
na ithe njera.
Mwana ũcio atigwo nao. Na no gũkorwo rĩrĩ maybe the grandparents don't want to be involved. Or even them matingĩhota, maybe they are too old. Maybe the aunties mena mathĩna mao. The uncles also have their own issues. Rĩu ũrandehera thĩna waku atĩa? Mwana ũcio ndorĩra. Ciana icio nĩcio cirorĩra. So mwana ũyũ ũmenye harĩa akanyitana na anybody.
Ũgima-inĩ wake.
Agakorwo na machungu mangĩ mũtaraelewa.
Maũru mũno. Haya, before tukite hau ũgima-inĩ rĩ tareke ngũria and I am asking this mwĩroreri with all due respect gũtarĩ mũndũ ndĩrenda kũnyũrũria. When a mother leaves to abroad rĩngĩ nĩ kũruta wĩra Gulf kana even Europe or US atiga mwana wake Does it cause childhood traumas?
It has. And as you are talking, those are my clients. Ni ndirona ciana nyingi muno. The parents are in yoroiga ku UAE. Mwana nyina agakuria thimu agakwira riu ndagitari mwana ucio ri ndari kindu agaga. He has the latest smartphone. Guo tamita yoni uri akire smart. Ari akire kwenda. School private. Aikara kwa mam, gutiri kindu mamu atari ndatigire ndimwakiire. Shida ya mtoto ni nini? Aranywa dawa niki? Mwana ucio na childhood trauma. Mwana ucio riu kunywa njohi gwake ni ku heal. Kunywa fangi gwake ni ku heal the childhood trauma. Tondu mwana uria ni neglectirwo, afiraga abandoned. Andũ aciari gimeciria ku provide. There is no emotional connection
when it comes to provision.
Yes. Na riu ndaramenya what is mwana uyu aragerera maundu mariku. They don't know. The worst case scenario ndiraiguire maybe a week ago ni mwana watigirwo nyina hakua. Nyina hakua ri, the mother was a one parent. Ku haria nyina akuire when this young man was 10, atwarirwo kwa brother ya nyina who was married. Na everybody assumed athi guku the other family members makiuga ni mari muthomithagia. No ajirire keni ngwire mona kabaia thire guikara na shosho. Zile vituko nilifanywa na huyo mama.
Leo mutumia wa mawe. Tata weri.
Tondu akikitio ni brother ya nyina. Na riu tondu nionaga ni arathomithio ni arekirwo maundu mothe ri ndahotire kumera what he went through. No akirikia form 4, he had convinced everybody reke nyume guku. So they didn't understand tondu mundu guku jari.
Yes, sawa.
No kuria njira discrimination ati ona ndangikaria sitting room. Ati ona TV. Atia aigagira mutu ureka ati haha. Ebu toka. Aturaga bedroom. Na kuhurwo physically. Na kumwo nginya irio. That is still trauma. Na kunyururio. Magithi handu tondu makire na ciana cia mutumia ucio, ciana cio theire cira nturathirwo cia kinyira handu ciana ici nacio ikiambia ku behave uria nyina behave. His own first cousins.
Kogwa gatigwo.
Na for whatever reason, the uncle didn't seem to
notice all
either the
care
uncle or he did
what.
bother. Right now, I'm talking of a 37-year-old man who has never married, who is now into substances, who is maintain, who has a lot of bitterness. Ginya ndari ya resolve death ya nyina na childhood trauma eno yothe agerera. Nari amucho mwaga nikiagire githita thire kwangania kugutire kindu kuniari yaga irio twamuriagira fici twamuguragira nguo kogwo ni gwitwaretwa. So they don't understand what happened. Na ciana nyingi ni magoni kwira even step parents ni arun sho wathire ruku step parent ni wahika wina ciana
no ni ho ngwenda guka
na we ndurauria mundu uyu ndahikira ri tondu arakuonia thefe na tondu ina connection na ciana ciaku nduramenya kiria ciana ciaku ciikagwo na nui mwana ni ukumanipulate mwana aithi muno.
With all due respect, mundu uhikaga na mwana ri akoragwo agikatia mwana wake ucio ahika nake
kuri ona utangimenya mahikirwo nao tondu the family went ikinyitana hihi no mwikire DNA niguo mukamenya ucio ndari mwana wake. There are families that are like that, you won't know. No of late githirwo kana mwana ucio wako akoni ndahika na mwana ucio wako ndikwenda muthuri wa discipline mwana wako and probably he's a boy.
Yeah.
Dirende kiondu ciana ici ndagia ri no yuri ngona toyo arafiva ciana ici
gukira uyu ndokire nake
na ni ndirenda uyu wako as favor mo kogo conflict ikaigira. So who is going to suffer? Not you parents but that child.
Ona gwe kundu ukoraga mutumia ni ahika mwana ucio ni woturaga huragwo
uyu okire nake
ni aregire guthomithio
ni all ginya basic. So mwana ucio kugia na childhood trauma
na we hau we nyina ni urona
no tondu utarakira
but why do women choose men over their children?
I think we need to do that research. My child comes first. Child naturally mwana niwe ukaga mbere no ri kuri andu riu ona makinya handu nginya makarekereria ciana ciao
ati uhenanagie nginyagia nduri mwana wainuka gicagi na muthuri ucio ukaugaga uyu ni brother yako uria munini na ni mwana
wa sister yako
kana mwana
koguo niguo roiga ha aciari mara separate na ku divorce ri ni handu ni personally interacted na ciana icio muno na ciana icio iyo childhood trauma nira ma confuse tondu mareuria atiri tithwe twigire tuke arafu ni marambia kuhana ta maragucanirio arafu makahana ta co-parenting is not working. Maybe one of these days ntori what is co-parenting and which is the good co-parenting. So co-parenting will have to happen tondu maki separate kama divorce ciana ito mwaka igikure. So we have to have a way no menye mundu arakaraga no yo akarakara ciana ikorira hau gatagati na yule mutumia ngianjiri he ni thi kuna ciana itagithite ndokite kuna ciana ndathite kuna ciana ni ndire mwana na gathie
agacitiga
na kioyo ri ni oimire na agithie
muthuri
so ciana ri ciatigwo nyumba cieika reke andu bara mamenye no teguka gutikira ciana icio advantage
ya gucitikira wega
so children are really suffering na no menye no marakura na nicio turaiga ni adverse childhood ni maundu mahapenire wi mwana and you had no control and therefore wagimara andu aingi there is someone who was telling me how poor they were and how the maundu mari marito but right now this person is doing so well no to have session ariona that pain na riwe ni agire guoya wa thina koguo ni alcoholic dikana shock dikana thina na they can do anything to make sure dikugia thina ucio no in the process ya gutuika wa alcoholic ni araga disconnect na ciana ciake ni araga disconnect na mutumia wake ni araga disconnect na andu aria maramata akagia riu na connection na aria maruta wira nao kana na iwa gatuika ukona yes no dariho this person is causing trauma to ciana ciake no wera ya thina wakwa
trauma ni thina na keru arakosera ciana ciake trauma ni gukorwo ari absentee
tondu agicaria ndakagie thina to the fear is thina uria da experience ire na he kaundu kangi turoiga aciari maroiga mimi sitaki watoto wangu wapitie kenye nilipitia as in poverty o mararora poverty matirarora emotional na psychological health ya mwana uyu na connectedness ino ndiratindangia ari uhoro wayo koguo ni nguma rucini de Susan the ofici gorwo ofici as early as maybe 4 am to direda jam kana 5 am ninyoniria ciana ciakwa katinda ofici gathimishe manio ni thire ko ni njikire ndiri ukatha inya ninyoniria ciana ciakwa. So we live in the same house but I don't see my children. Tamu igathira ciana icio ni baba wao weekend ri bado niko na shughuli niko na deal hapa nidirathi kura gofu nidirathi kuna nidira travel Mombasa nidirathi so when do you have time with those children
with your children
so as much as durashi hura na durashi negenia ri we na disconnect that is trauma in itself koguo ni turera aciari magie na quality ni ndiraga andu ti quantity quality time hidio woka ithaa riu rimwe we put the phones away put everything horia TV ciotheka aria na mwana njira muciari aria na mwana murorete maitho mwana uci aiguaga very important yani dad ameweka muona tiga thie mukenjo thi hau nja mthambie ngari ka mutinie do something with that child uhoro ucio mwana ucio gutura naguo
aririkana
na hidio ni muraria nake koguo ni aramenya haya koguo no njire dadi u na kwira ndu tika kumhe solution toto ithuĩ Africans we are solution focused wewe bago iwoka kuja unajua ma nini ngambia ukuhe advice na solution no tamuria terere wewe unaona utafanya haje ndio mwe response ambie gwiciria no kama enda ufikirie utaniambia no unaona quality no ikare na mwana mwe hau no withimu-ini uraria na mabeste we TikTok agawiko reels hatiri handu ra connect na ciana mwana kwa riuka ciunyamaze wewe kwani no iwe no put mwana off oka gukwira kaundu kangi no you can't uguo koguo mwana ona ndangingira nginya rumu iri uri what are you doing to those children
wadirikania rwimbo rwainagwo nĩ Luther Vandross akauga a dance with my father na ndeciria ũhoro ũcio ndona that is what he was doing with his ithe ũguo kaga akamuoya akamuigĩrĩra ciande-inĩ
never forget that
ndangĩriganĩrwo
no ũrĩa andũ monaga kaũndũ gaka atĩ o mũthenya nĩ wa make sure nĩ wona mwana waku twĩthoma twĩragwo ona mũngĩ make sure as a family you just eat one meal a day breakfast mutihota tondu wa make sure that dinner morali hamwe make it a common thing ago mutikota dinner every Saturday however busy you are Monica however ukahavaga day ciana ni ciuĩ Saturday mama turugagira pilau and they are involved in that hindo ni moralia pilau ni ruthondekagirwo kajuice kayo ni thondekagirwo avocado ni you are doing this together no na time yo ciana icio igukwira maundu to
maingĩ muno
no ngira mwana waku tacio mureta preteen kana teen oka ebu kuja hapa Wambui ka hapa nataka tuongee mwana ucio ashataga immediately aigagirwo ni guoya nataka tuongee atuikaga anxious niki mama renda twari gwaria njugi atia no ambia ikuruga muratinia itunguru ebu to nini carrots hapo ebu grate carrots rumurari oguo mugithekaga hena ka music karahura hau oguo niki ritwa ria giku nikiriko toy you know so you are talking other things wa ungimuria na riu ri mwarimu ucio aturanyire teacher wanyu ekaga atia ano ucio gukuhoro tondu ndarona you are doing something kovo ni ara ndarona ta nawe ugatwika mundu wa oh okay sasa alafu ukaenda aje don't give them solution so most parents don't know that and it's something good something very very good mwana no kerekania as a parent ukumwira atia mwana ni murugo ni imana ku ni okaerekania the haria wikarite TV yo ni hiwe thimu-ini okameanguka hapa chini na very playful mona ukumwira amuka tehera haha wakagweka atia na mwana ni ithako ekwenda mu interact what have you told that child and this is a child toreda ciana citu ikure we are trying to them to behave like adwagima yet they are children allow children to be children reke mathake reke moke makwire kiundu reke oke ikare hariwe etiranie nawe don't brush them off tondu nyonaga aciari angi mwana ukana is 10 11 okay etkurania nawe ukamwika what have you done to that child ko he maundu maingi tureka tutaramenya ni meguka guturia baadaye na ni yoraigwa andu makiaria I hate my parent I hate nyina karigwo githiria guthomithirie githiria kurugire githiria gucinjirie nafi uramenera ki ni gutigire kirumi yes no nduraria rais what this child went through tondu we ndurona you are so oblivious kana you are dealing with your own issues that you can't realize ni urames mwana uyu up kogo communication ndiurigira aciari no muciari utararia na mwana wake you will have a lot of problems kogo caria quality time ona koni sandi muimakanira mutindage nao so they know they look forward to that time no mutire handu monanaga nao ugoko kona 14 andu mukoigania ni akirire ndaragia
kuma Kenya miaka 4 dimenyaga niki gwathire
na we ndurona what you did so is that part of childhood trauma chances are it's true koguo tukoiga atiriri ciana kaingi ni igeragira maundu maritu as they are growing up maundu maritu niki kwina extreme poverty extreme poverty
wajirire ona no irehe nginyagia mental
health ni irehage tondu mwina low income ni gwikati mura ino rimwe ni mukurarira rimwe muraria na riu rimwe nginya ngucia gwikira is a problem nginya ini kuroira ni muroirirwo nyumba ku thiini hihi mwana uyu nguo cia gwikira ni hand me downs ndariagia nguo ciake these are things that will haunt mwana uyu in what way Tony araria is I am not able to understand what is going on na hiya athi cukuru ni aguthekererwo kana akaigua comment ke mundu kana akaigua jirani kana hiyo naria muciaranĩirwo nao your own relatives mara comment kaundu koguo mwana ucio ni akugia na gathina atangikagia nako koguo as mwana arakura ni agia na tundu tuingi na riria family ihinyirikiire muno nginya ati basics ni ciraga ciana nicio icabaga the most ona tuga ciana ni resilient no ni masafaga muno psychologically tugatoka tukerwo atiriri aciaria mata communicate na ciana directly ati utigire wa muiritu okira ekyo muiritu wa wira ni ura communicate wakinya hwaini ri ni ekire ora ndimwirire you see you have not talked to your child ni ekire ukerwo hi ni ekire ka ndaneka kana ki ni we munogu unalala did you connect with your child no so the next day so and no kono rasido na no rasijania iritu koguo these children are seeing different people na ndirera andu airitu awira mokaga with their own issues with their own traumas. That's why they are becoming that because they cannot be anything else koguo mena matrauma mena maiki muno mwimite na mona kumushi koguo meguka roere guthiaha how does the river go icaragia haria ikunira riu moinagira he ciana
childhood trauma ciao mauka ku bleed ra ciana ici
gukumekiria
gukumandikwo
no menyeri we ura trust muiritu uria kwirire ndura trust mwana wako niguo ciana cinjira mama nasikizanga huyo house help kunishinda mimi namwambia ukweli ana believe huyo vile anasema tondu ni mundu mugima ri urasium ekwaria ma kumbe actually your child is right no drahe mwana niki tondu communicator tondu tiaragia tondu heaga ample time ndionagia ciana cia kwa guku ni kwanyu this is your space why would anybody come from outside abie kumharasira kwanyu it doesn't make sense to me but that's what they do mwana wa kaharaso agekwo ukareherwo ciana riria we as a therapist mwana na ciana ucio ni urari realize where the problem is simply because the parents are not communicating. So I can't talk enough communication. Na dagiri wone guthira ati to mwana ni atuika preteen kana atuika teenager. It's a continuous process. Mwaragie throughout.
Ginyagia maisha.
Ginya tari wona wina miaka eno ina ni mukwaria na mom, you know, you'll still continue talking. Nikki, that's what brings people together. Talking. Kogo hey teenagers, it's even better that you are talking more with them. Talk more with them. Ti ugo ciana ruciro kile misi. Ethi wa shosho, ethi wa tata wanyu, ethi kwao, thi kwao. So at what time do you have time?
Ethi wa shosho wanyu.
Muikarage.
Mugekirwo ngari mugathie.
Ni kiria kiramakirie na mwana acio muroiga mathiete Dubai. She left her daughter Nanyina. But the brother drinks and uses marijuana. So when the girl was turning 13, Nyinambia kwaria nake na thimu aga sense there's something off. No darashi can this my daughter uria twaraia there's something off. Akoria nyina asha dari hado out of these many things I do agithikiriria hado daragia
mwana uyu
munyina ugo mathikagiriria mena ku agithikiriria. I hope she will hear this because that lady came. Akiumana ko agiuka. Decide there's something wrong with my daughter, but I don't know what it is. Delire mundu. Ko wewe okire akiumirira nyina na mwana. When the girl saw the mother, she cried. Nyina kebia kurira. Ruwe resi ni mwana ni aramumiss. Kumbe the girl ara molestagwo ni mama brother na brother no ginya besha ginya gwiria rekera ni uratuma to mwana uyu ni murefi ni huthagira ndawa cia kurethia na showe kaire torikerire kagirie kwira shosho amwirie hindwe wina mitugo miuru
shosho akahumbira
oko uraga uthiaga ukehingira na kuwoka and the shosho ni guthimake mwana ucio megutigwa na this man
na mama we
na derera nyina. So that lady told me ni Susan ha oranyona ethinie
murwa nyina
tondu we okire akimenya tware mwana thibitari agi confirm that has been happening no yo mwana ke akahe mwana ucio ginya ndawa ti ndakagie ihu
ate
So ajiri ni isio andu maroiga mathie wacha tukule shida na mtoto wangu
huku
tono waru kana kaunega traumatized at 13.
You can imagine you go and do
that and then the people you trust, the people you are supporting na nyina rudara mwariria oragitwarire murio thiini na ko ye andu ni mariririo horo cio ni twete andu nini riu anjure yesu neto mugitwaragiria ri we ni uretikia ni ngucoka ku ni ngwaria na mami we ni ure mangiaria na mami because to her now the pain she has na ni ora ma support agena ku na tikuma support kidogo major ginya kundu maraigirwo iciugo cia nguku ginya kundu riu kunyumbe niyo wakite she been there for quite some time maybe 8 years nona okaga hanini agathie agoka nona wigu kaithie tunindi gakinyia 13 so atigite kana kuge kanini so for her aranjirire kota kiradu reke ciana cia beigi mare
mbere ya mundu
you are trusting people na mwana waku
imagine ucio ni brother yake ura mwana ngira mwana
na mwana tondu ni erite so na social did nothing riu wakiaria ri githe social ndari hau araneo thimu koguo ndarare kwa thie
ndagirekwo auge what is happening
riu araririe social haha era guikara hau aria na mamu wanyu so that the social can hear but she could sense there's something off no ndaramenya what was off so she opted to come without telling anybody. That's what she found.
Oh no.
So abandonment no turatiga ciana ri. Ciana ici ni ciragirira maundu maritu in the name twathi kumacariria. Ciana ici ono ngicari ono cari iki. Emotionally na psychologically I might not ever come back.
Ni ukamuhe kiria giothe ukenda no ugakora ari mwana wrecked. Emotionally, psychologically, spiritually.
Troiga atiriri aciari ari they are loving their children to death. Ukenda mwana ginya agakua in the name of nikumwenda ndiramwenda. I'm loving the child to death to ndirahota kwaria nake kukorwo ho kumusupport to a certain age agimare. As I'm saying that Gariara is udogura challenge muno ate aciari ni maretigira ciana ciao ai dikimurehe Susan kumwira atia wika atia nigetha ndimurehe ngamuria ni weithe na ni urane mu nikurehe muruguo na he has a problem ndronateko ndehera thina muno ona maragia na mihehu na this guy knows ni amara sete enough umwaranjirire on phone ati ni muri wakwa njiri muthenya uria ngamugwetera rehab ni kuita keita koguo ni ndingimurehe ndirenda undeithie njira uria ngwika kira mureru ndukireke anywe ginya riria ageka atia he has a problem no ni athreatened mugikadora rehab ni ngeita na tondu ni the only son
muga kigura guoya
mukagura guoya so andu aingi ni maretigira ciana ciao tondu wa kithi there is no attachment there is no respect there is no communication there is no undu turaiguana.
So Susan, are you saying a bigger percentage ya mundu nywa joy kana any other substance abuse probability nene muno ni kugeria gucope na childhood traumas?
Majority na trauma really kwe childhood na nisio nyingi but as we grow up kuri andu maragia na other traumas no childhood they seem to bring a lot of ginya personality ya twaragiria igaformwo ni undu wa traumas ici cia childhood ukona mundu ni arabehave ka undu ni undu wondu ekirwe ki mwana tigwa agiari koda exposed to that trauma na tukoiga atiriri childhood traumas ri ciukaga riu na maundu mangituroiga atiriri that if you have toxic stress that is so much below 18 mani ukugia na childhood trauma stress yo ura expose tura gutidi no muhako perform lazima uperform no he aciari mafoxaga na performance makarigwo mwana ucio ni ari undu ngi round them makarigwo kana nginya mwana ucio ni ahihagia kana ni eciragia kana mwana ucio ni ari kindu endete ta hobby kana mwana ucio ni endete muru kuina kana ni endete rui we focus on performance that will too much stress for the child Koguo mwana ucio nake akagĩa na issues na trauma. Tondũ rĩu arimũ, aciari, andũ othe, rĩu nĩ ta you don't have any other life. That's something I hear a lot in therapy. Ciana moka nĩoka therapy, agoka etereire mũrie ũhoro wa cukuru. Because that's what everybody does. Yes, everybody is with form K. Which is your best subject? Which is your worst subject? How can you improve? That's what they're expecting. Then mkagĩa na mũndũ woka mũria atĩrĩ, now that you are here, tell me more about you. What makes you happy? Dari ori uduto. Akura playing football, being with my friends, watching cartoons. Todo very weird. Nitoto mukenagia. So when you play, what do you feel when you play? I can't go explain it. I don't understand football. Tajiroli adakago. Mwanoshi arakuhe details itoe. But that is their thing. No, later on in how come you ask me things? Why don't the other adults ask me the same? Todo when you read umumenye beyond shukuru, there is a person there. Na shukuru no igakinya mwisho. So can you learn who this person is? To focus. Shukuru. Can we focus on behavior? Mwanosho ekago uguo niki. There's a reason mwanosho ekago uguo ekaga. Either tugasiana mangesi makidu. Kogo ungikora mwana waku ni aranywa. Ucoke uke ofisi gwakwa.
Ona ni unyuaga.
Uke gindo agitubone shukuru. Uke njere ni suda niko na stress sana. Na ofisi yako yandikitwo very nicely no smoking. Ukora mundu ni arutaga thigara. Mwane hau akirorera. Ranywa ni stress. Aso pole akoimana hau nja. Mwana sio akira kama mzaya na choma. Simi lazima nichome zangu. Shida iko wapi? The child doesn't see it because we are the role models. Ndĩrera aciari nĩ tũrera ciana ithome mũno. Mwana ũcio ndarĩa kuona ũkĩthoma Bible, ndarĩa kuona ũgĩthoma ngathĩti kana ibuku. It doesn't make sense to them. Makuonaga TV-inĩ na thimũ-inĩ. So
ndũrĩ handũ makuonaga ũgĩthoma, no nĩ ũramera mathome.
Kanitha. Matire no gĩthi kanitha. You are lying to yourself. They won't go. No kinya handũ matigũthiĩ. Consistency he ciana is very important. Iyo gukorwo ati ni murarianira hamwe, iyo ati ni murahota kwaria, ati mwana waku no oke bedroom yaku mwarie. Kwanje ungiona mwana uraingira bedroom akahiga murango. Please wacha mbio. Ebu weka vitu chini, ebu ziba.
Jensi na Gen Alpha ni maratwiko
ni maraigira horia thimu mundu wakwa. Horia kila kitu. Focus. Tome gukwira maundu. They'll hit you below the belt, but they are telling you what is going on. Kogo tungihota twaririe ciana citu. Tungihota ithuĩ tuone trauma citu to decide tiga poverty. Can we look at what else did we feel? Kogo mwana ũyũ, what are they feeling? Niturenda mathie through consequences, understand consequences. Tutigo tuika ninge helicopter parents, we are protecting them left, right and side. Ati mwana ndangihota kwiruta ngori. Niki? Because my mom will always be there kunitoa ngori. So when it comes to these issues, as they come to the children, as the children grow, then they also develop other traumas and other behaviors come in. Tukoiga ciana citu ni very dysfunctional. Ciana citu cienda guthie kuri aciari marathie, mugithi mucemanio ni December cousins hamtaki. Kwa nini? Maybe they know, they hear what you talk about your brother, what you talk about your sister. Then mwathi kumugethekithia. Hey, everything is. These kids are very sensitive. Matikweda. So we need to be careful. Tondu ciana ici nicio the next generation. Can we help them so that they are not so traumatized as they won't be able to function?
Okay. Wow. All right. Mwirereri na ukorwo wathikiriria Tokyo wauga nenie ndageragira maundu macio mothe ndagitari auga na nenie huraga mwana wakwa takuraga na you know the best thing that ungithikiriria kaundu karakuhutia ni umenyaga
ni uramenya mundu ni onaga somebody sees themselves
nenie ucio
just make those changes.
Yeah, and you're wondering how can I do it? This help for you, this help for your child. Ndirehoka talk therapy na other therapies ni iteithagia mundu to overcome maundu wagereire wi munini kana ona trauma ungikoro camanitie nacio wi mugima.
Yes, that happens a lot.
It happens.
No Kenyans uria mareka ri, they are treating their trauma by using alcohol and drugs. Matiroka therapy, but the people who come for therapy works. It has worked.
Yeah.
For these 20 plus years goretwo, I see people even today on a hair do maranyonire makahuria Susan no rikana never I can't remember. I see so many people. Hey, continue doing. You really helped me as a person. You know them, they imagine I remember. I can't because I'm seeing too many people. But I know therapy works.
It works.
No, there is help.
There is help.
Na una troiga ono gicaragia help. Ni undu wa andu aingi gutuika ni maroiga their therapist. Kwi kindu kiretwo Kenya Counselors and Psychologists Board. Andu acio ni maratuhe licenses to practice. And I remember ya wokire ndakuonirie. Na I have to renew that. Because I have to show hours. I have to show numbers. I have to show nidrono ni my therapist. Nidrona the peer supervision. I have to prove that so that I'm still functional. Kowo andu aingi maraiga ama counselor or a psychologist. Wana dari na license todo area, they are very diligent. For you to get that, you have to have really mama hoge shukuri ya athomana mwathoma nao. Taru ndira athoma andu apa Free Christian University. Maya Susan tulisoma na yeye andu a KMTC. Susan tulikuwa tunasoma na yeye andu akuria kwa SAPTA kwa college. Susan tulikuwa na yeye andu akuria Colombo Plan. Meruraya ona komatira igwa gikuyu majira. Susan, we saw you somewhere. We saw you on YouTube in your country. Kogo ni andu murathoma nao. Kogo he andu mundu athia certificate ha kanitha-ini, agathie handu ka certificate na koiga ni
therapist. Hapo kuna shida.
Hapo kuna mathia makakutraumatize more.
Yeah.
They re-traumatize you. Tomarecia talk therapy is just talking. It's not.
It is not.
A lot of work.
Yeah. Haya, na nikio mwiroreri tukubangeire a seminar on 6th of December haria All Saints Cathedral. Okay. We'll be talking about parenting teens. But beside that, nyukagea na mweke wa gucemania na counselors aria akoro you don't have a teenager but you have your own issues. You have the right counselors who will address your issues na maguteithiririe to heal yourself. Susan, maybe no tutaririe makiria what the seminar is all about na nigetha mundu okay what is required of them.
Seminar turakire na turonire gap Monica. Right now dina seminar ta cia youth ta 10 ama aware of
cia youth.
Urero ukawaririe youth kanitheno ukawaririe youth matigire na difference kwena teenagers kwena riu aya older youths all through tura realize yes youth ni mathi ni maharirio ni mero communication ma improve na aciari aya ona matiri nondo ona marari orahe leto iriko so tuna gap turiga atiri why don't we talk to parents because parents can make a very big difference magimenya nigetha nginya mahote kurera ciana ici wega koguo turenda kurora uhoro wa trauma. Twahutia very little. Trauma not only yao ona ile mangikosi ciana ciao. Nitũrenda kurora uhoro wa technology. Technology no toni yo kireri. Na ni maciana citu tina thimu, na twina ma smart TV na kiri. How can we be more careful na ni atia tungika? Na technology no yukite. Na what things is it bringing to our children? Then twali uhoro wa substance use, turamita temptations. Ciana cirakinya ha igatempto ikaigira to use alcohol to substances. Na he undu ugire tukiambiriria as a parent, who do you need to look out for? Ukumenya nake ginya mwana waku ni aretinagia. Ukumenya nake kama mwana waku ni depressed. Ukumenya nake kama mwana waku ni igirite nyamu ici cia drugs and substance. Ukumenya kana ni igirire mwena wo huro omwe. There are those signs that as a parent, if you are just keen, you will see them. Bottom line, umenye mwana uyu agika maundu maya, there's something off about them. And maybe if you are there for them, no ma protect by your presence, by your communication, by your connectedness, by your reassuring your child that I'm still here for you and that I'm supporting you. here, so come to me. Ohote ku convince mwana ucio kana angĩkorwo ndware mwori reke ngũtware handu ũgĩteithio. So that's our whole idea, that we empower parents with what we are calling positive parenting, so that they become positive to their children, so that their children will be better and they will be more functional. That is the whole idea. It's many topics. We are different facilitators who will talk to those parents. And of course, counselors licensed to practice around there. That if you feel you are overwhelmed by anything, you can go and talk to this specific client.
And any other information you get tariu rehab jega ya gutwara mwana
ili accredited ni nakada todo nakada accredits rehabs koguo ni mathite na makarona makona ni ukinyitie ikiro iria ciagirire koguo na wathi website ya nakada ni ukuona the accredited rehabs.
All right. Okay, so mwiroreri 6th of December kwina marihi seminar turamirihia 3,000 which will be inclusive of now the training itself, the seminar, the food, and the writing materials. Tukahota go provide. We are doing it one day. Tondu turakimenya aciari to na makirio na maundu maingi mareka. But we are saying from that we will have a way of doing follow-up. Wikaga ige seminar reaching more people, helping them to just cope. Na nambere ya turahuthira ya thimu ni 0724 730 117. Iyo niyo namba ya organization ya Elewa Ulevi. Na posters cia out there cirona ni uria mundu arari hana pay bill na registration igakorwo mundu akinya tugakorwo ready na all the names andore mako marihite. No tuge tuna limitation ya numbers koguo andu ma register because we can't go beyond a certain number. True. All right, so mwiroreri, personally I'll be there because I'm a mother of a teenager and a preteen. Ni gwenda muno kumenya uria guikarana na kiasi yakwa di kwenda tukora no handu ni gwenda kumenya muno uria guikara because sometimes they really challenge me. Ona mwana ni agugwita akwire kaundu ukeyuria ni ngerire mamu uguo ni mwenyewe aigamwirira ukarigwa mararuta guts icio ko. It's a generation that we really need to understand, the Gen Zs and the Gen Alphas. We really need to understand them. Tondu ciana icio they have guts. He mwiritu urokire metha-ini aranjira ati nyina matiganire na ithe we agichoose gutigwo gwa ithe. Na ithe ni okaga akarehe kairitu gako muthi ungirucio uguo na acoka thukuru high school ni aiguire horo ucio ni wa mutanga na agiciria ni akwandikira ithe marua na akimwira baba kai among those girls kotangietha kamwe uhikie handu hakureha uyu umuthi ungi rucio ungi uguo na agitumira ithe marua na tondu ithe niwe wamugiraga cukuru tondu niwe wamugiraga cukuru ri ati ni amwirire mam ni ndiranyitire marua maku na ni ngwika uguo. So those kind of guts nicio ciana ciana citu ndirecurania ko muciari ucio ari this other ni kumhura ki
na kumwira ona kuya muigate.
But you see I think he must have sat down agithoma marua macio agicirio oro wa mwari agicokera kiona for sure ni direka uru na nagira mwana akimuria shuoria kwagirire. So nikio ndirauga mwiroreri uguo tugaga ndikwenda kurera mwana wakwa uria ndarerirwo for sure kana ndigenda mwana wakwa ageta uria ndagire. When wekirirwo childhood traumas then don't do the same to your child. Koguo nitucemanie thima twikaga tutekumenya tucemanie on 6th of December haria All Saints Cathedral tukora tugifundithio horo wa positive parenting na ciuria ciothe tugakorwo nacio kirio kuga ai Monica ni ungioria atiriri sasa wewe kuja ujiulizie mwenyewe ujibiwe wewe mwenyewe haria All Saints Cathedral on 6th of December. Thank you Susan.
Asante sana.
Giuma haha ni gukorwo ndi therapist.
Uko therapist na ni ukurehetwa na hakuhi.
Na nigurehetwa
na hakuhi ni communicate more.
So thank you so much.
I'm always grateful that I'm here at the table ya Kagoni.
All right. Reke tutirihera hau mwiroreri. By the way, agikorwo he topic ungienda twariririe please to suggest in our comment section. Tuire Monica, please talk about this, talk about this, talk about this. Na nitukuoya notes ciaku na nitukurespond tondu tukwenda kumuhe kiria inyuĩ munyoteire. Tikiria turecirĩrĩria but kiria inyuĩ munyoteire. So nĩ ũgũtũ-guide wega mũno if you write to us in the comment section, kana no ũtwandĩkĩre in our WhatsApp number ĩrĩ hau screen-inĩ ya metha ya Kagoni. Reke tũtirĩhĩre hau. Njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni.